Yeah, so it's, what is it, January 12th, and I'm dressed appropriately for it. Cold out today, minus 13 this morning, which is the coldest day of the year so far, and, or the season, I guess you want to call it. Anyway, the other day for this, for my tractor, which is a Kubota, I don't know what number, but it has a number on it. I'll tell you. 2501, I think. Yeah, an L2501. Now I've got a snowblower hooked on the back and I've got a bunch of other implements for it. But in the wintertime, when you're using a snowblower, the snow is always blowing in your face. So in the mail, or on the parcel service, I ordered up a one of those fabric cabs for it. So I'm going to put that on there today, I hope. See how it goes. I got it warming up so I can move it over by the door here and just work in and out the shop on the door. Okay, anyhow, I'll start unpacking the in here. Here I am. Nice and toasty warm in here, but there's the whoops, there's the package there, and we'll see about getting that thing unpacked. I'll lift the van up a few more so I can work on the floor over here underneath. Anyway, I'll get at it and I'll show you. Yeah, so there's all the parts, right? That black thing there is like the roof, and it's was rolled around, and then these ones here are the sides, then all the metal bits that go on it, and a bucket full of bolts. So see if I can figure out how to get it to go together. The first thing they say is put on these, where am I? That one there. Is that one? Yeah, that one. And that one. So I'll get after that. Well, here I am. I better catch you up, right? So this piece here goes on. They follow instructions and it works pretty good. That'll go out to catch the, wherever the, am I pointing the right way? This thing here is adjustable to catch the frame for the roof, right? And then this part here, I've just got them clamped on the edge here until such time as I figure out how the roof goes on. Here, to this point, right? Yeah, this is just clamped on. Same on the other side. So that side there is on. And same over there. I've got that little rail clamped on the outside there. Now on this part here, I'll come inside, right? I'm a little bit overdressed for this task. So you put it together, this roof business, and then they have some interesting, like, there's just little bolts that hold this together, which is fairly self-explanatory. But here's a good thing. It says, wrap machine screws with resistive adhesive tape to prevent premature wear of the canvas. Now, a resistive adhesive tape, I guess I mean electric tape, right? So, but they don't want to say electric tape. Anyhow, then next is that the black roof goes on here, and it's held on with tie wraps. And then over the top of that later, the canvas for the whole tractor goes on. So we'll see what happens next. This is made by, what's it made by? Mac Industries out of Quebec. B-E-R-C Mac Industries. Berco. Anyway, so we'll see how it looks when I get it on there. Looks like it's coming along anyhow. Yeah, so there's the roof put on. It's like a plastic roof that keeps it from sagging so the rain doesn't accumulate in it. It's got a couple of pointy things there to keep it up-ish. Now, and you just held it on with tie wraps all the way around. So the next step is to, I think, put the frame onto the tractor out there. I'll see what I can do about that. Well, there, that happened. Pretty near dark now. And it's got a, so these things, the glass is really supposed to sit outside the fender. But because it hangs down and hits the tire, I decided to put it inside the fender on both sides, and that works for me all right. There you go. So it's got little holes. You can get Velcroed out through these holes here to change the angle on this, which is frozen right now, but that's all right. But it doesn't matter what angle it is now because it won't blow snow in my face anymore, which is yay. That's all right. Anyhow, that looks pretty good. On this side here where the hydraulics are, it's got a hole that you can get through there, but it doesn't match stuff very well at all. So I just put it as best I could there, and on a warm day it might get some double-sided Velcro, and just put it on in here to hold that on. But I'll wait till a warm day, and it seems to be that it fits okay, and it doesn't look too goofy. I guess I won't ever have a windshield wiper, but I don't think that really matters. It vents air at the top on both sides, so it's not to be warm in there. It's just to keep the snow off you, winter cover, and keep the snow from accumulating on the seat all the time. So it actually seems to be okay. So just use it in the winter and pull it off in the summertime and put it upstairs, and there you go. Another adventure with the truck. Well, I'll try it out next time I have to plow snow. Or blow snow. I'll try it out and see what it does. Okay, that's all for now.